StackMob helps mobile developers quickly and easily add back-end services to their apps. Rapid data store API creation and user management that is deeply integrated with Facebook. You can secure your users' data using access controls based on their identity. Additionally, we support geolocation data and geoqueries. Separate development and production environments, as well as collaboration through teams, and custom server-side code to allow you to write your own custom business logic and mash up StackMob services with third-party APIs. The StackMob Scrumptious app is based off of a sample app that comes with the Facebook SDK. We've built an Android and an iOS version to show off some of the features that are available through the StackMob platform. I've opened the StackMob Scrumptious app inside of Xcode, and now I'm going to run it in the iPhone simulator. It'll prompt me to share my current location, and now when I log in through Facebook, I'll also be logging into StackMob or creating a new user profile on StackMob as well as logging in. This will allow me to store additional data on StackMob. The normal Facebook functionality that comes with this demo app is the ability to select some food that you've eaten, the location that you've eaten at, as well as which one of your friends you've dined with. We've extended this demo by adding the ability to add a rating for the restaurant, along with some comments. When you're done, you can post this to the Facebook timeline, as well as save the information into StackMob along with my user identity that's tied to Facebook. To view all of my ratings for the restaurants I've visited, I go under My Ratings. I can click on an individual restaurant to see my rating, as well as, using StackMob custom code, see the average rating for all users for that restaurant. Let's take a look at the StackMob dashboard and the Scrumptious app. If we go into our schema configuration, we can see there's a user schema as well as a rating schema. Drilling down into the rating schema, we can see all the properties, including the meal, the rating, and any comments that a user might have made. Down below, we've got schema permissions, which include the ability to say a user must be logged in to create a new restaurant rating, and set the read permissions to only the owner of that particular object or rating. StackMob also supports the ability to define permissions based on a user's role or through a relationship between the object and a user. To see the data that's been stored for the Scrumptious app, we can go to the Data Management tool. We'll choose our production environment and run a query against the rating schema. Here's that rating we just added for the restaurant, the Elephant Bar. Creating a new app on StackMob is easy. Click the Create New App button, give your application a name, and select the platform to receive detailed instructions on how to download the StackMob SDK and the unique API key for your application. StackMob also provides HTML5 hosting. We've placed the Facebook Open Graph files as well as an HTML5 version of the Scrumptious app on StackMob. You can log in with Facebook and update the ratings and comments about the restaurants you've visited. Deploying updates to your HTML5 app is easy with StackMob. Simply link your GitHub repository to the HTML5 hosting module and push your changes through GitHub. StackMob's platform is module-based. You can add and remove capabilities to each of your applications on StackMob. In the Scrumptious demo, we used custom server-side code to add a little bit of business logic into our application. We're calculating the average rating for a single restaurant across all users. To add more modules, you can go to the StackMob marketplace and install modules developed by StackMob and its third-party partners. Reduce your development time and easily integrate Facebook into your mobile apps through the StackMob platform. StackMob's core API is free. We don't count the number of users or API calls that your app makes. You'll find premium services for purchase in the StackMob marketplace.